Yesterday I tried to change some things up with the Ghost, and it didn't work out too well. Apparently, even though the settings exist, the Ghost does not do 720p 60 frames per second. You can set it to that, but it shits the bed. Anyway, so I'm back at 1080p and I think 25 frames per second, which is weird. Should be 24. Yeah, I got the GoPro. Hello. Which is at 2.7. 24 frames per second. Yeah, you're a boss. Mutant. Go get some gas. It's been pissing rain off and on all morning, mid-afternoon. It's dry enough, but as you can see, it's threatening. Okay, what are you waiting for? Yeah, so let's see if we can have some better luck today. I was messing around with my GoPro, finding a good place to put it on the motorcycle. I think I found it. Let's get some gas. I want to get gas. I want to get some gas. Unfortunately. And 2 and 3. Fuck you, piece of shit. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go to Yarrow. Let's go to Yarrow. Veteran tags, you know what that means? Means watch out, I'm a bad driver. Yep, I know, I said it. True story. I'm gonna go back home. Make sure I don't get rear-ended. So, during yesterday's ride, while everything was seemingly operational, I had... what are you guys waiting for? Hello? Yeah. COVID-19 has certainly brought out a lot of new cyclists. Nothing wrong with that. But if you're experienced out on the road, you need to have some patience with these people. Have some patience. As you can see, a multitude of cyclists. Multitude. And these are the drivers out there that I fear. You can tell this guy's just a foot stomper, and he's a reckless driver. I know I'm making assumptions, but the thing is when you ride a motorcycle, hopefully you are acutely aware of the drivers around you, because it will save your life. And you've been riding as long as I have, you will be able to recognize the threats immediately. Almost unconsciously, you will be able to recognize the type of drivers around you. At least I have. I've developed that sense. And this guy here in front of me, I perceive him as a threat. And I hate to generalize, but I find most people, not all, okay, don't bite my balls off, not all people that drive trucks are a threat. But unfortunately, the type of person that does buy trucks, I perceive as a threat. And this guy is one of them. So there you go. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. Hi, bike guy. That's right. I don't wave anymore. It's too bandwagony. Oh my God, everybody. The Mighty Moose is open. You don't know how important that is. The Mighty Moose is open. Alright, I'm getting a lot of rain from that area. So, I don't want to ride in the rain. I saw my chance, I took it. I will be taking a right-hand turn at the four-way stop coming up. And I'm going to make well, I could do a U-turn. Maybe I will do the U-turn. Nah. What's your problem? You honk, we drink. Fuck off. How about that? You honk, we drink. What? Okay, I'm gonna go off on a tangent. So if you've got young ears, you know, hey, if you got young ears around, plug them. Why the fuck would you sit on your lawn and you honk, I drink? Okay, guess what? That type of person behind the wheel in a car, I perceive them as a threat to me on a bicycle and a motorcycle. They are a threat. Oh great, I get to follow this asshole. So yeah, who sits? You honk, I drink. I don't know, man. To each their own, right? I'm just saying. What's your motivation of that? What the fuck is the point? You want to drink? Fucking drink. That's a funny little story. That's, hey, very nice of you to drive your car in the fucking bike lane. You know, especially when there's a cyclist up there. You can't tell with these cameras how close everybody is. some kid out for a ride, and then some jerk off in the Micra driving in the as close to the cycling lane as they can. Bravo. So, what category does that driver fit in? Yes, a threat. Yes, lady, I'm talking about you. You are a threat. Look at that. Eh? Are you wanting me to pass you? Because I will not pass you. It is illegal and dangerous. Man, oh man. See? Perceived threat. This woman might think she's doing me a favor by moving over so I can pass her, which is called lane splitting. Oh, what the F is going on up here? We got a little 5-0 action going on. Hi there, you suck as a driver, ma'am. Ma'am, you suck. You were driving in the bike lane. Just so you realize.